Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to explain one of the most confusing topic in Jetpack Compose, and that is side effects. So we will see what they are, why we need them, and most importantly, I will show you real example with code. So by the end of this video, you will clearly understand when to use launched effect, disposable effects, side effect, and remember CoroutineScope. So first let's understand what is side effect in Jetpack Compose. A side effect is anything that touches the world outside Compose UI. For example, showing a toast, start stopping a camera, logging analytics, or running network calls. So why is this important? Because in Compose, functions can recompose multiple times. And if we put side effects directly inside a composable, they may run multiple times. Again and again they can run. So Compose gives us special APIs to handle side effects safely. Okay, so let's start with the wrong way of showing a toast. So here I am checking if the login state is success. If it is success, so I'm directly calling toast inside the composable. So at first this may look fine, but here is a problem. Every time the composable recompose, the block of this code will run again and again. So you can see here I have this counter and this recompose button. So when I click the button, the composable recomposes and the toast fires again. So if I click 10 times, it will show toast 10 times. See, you can see this. So this is clearly wrong because a toast should only be shown once when the login succeeds, not on every recomposition. Right? So now let's see the correct version of this. So here I have used the toast inside a LaunchedEffect block. You can see this. This is here we are using LaunchedEffect. And I have given a login state as a key. So this code will only run when the login state changes. So if the state changes to success, the toast will show only once. Even if I press the recompose button 10 times, no extra toast will appear. So you can see here, like if I click recompose, toast is not coming. It's not appearing, right? So that's how we have fixed the issue. Now let's look at the another side effect, that is disposable effect. So imagine you are working with something like a camera, a GPS or a sensor. So these are resources that need to be started when the composable comes into view and stopped when the composable is removed. So here you can see when the composable enters the screen, we print the camera started. And when the composable leaves or is disposed, so we are showing camera as stopped. So that is exactly what disposable effect is for. Like we can say like managing resources with proper cleanup. Now let's talk about side effect. So sometimes you want to run a small piece of code after every successful recomposition. For example, logging analytics whenever a screen is displayed. So in this code, I am using side effect to log logging screen view, home screen. So you can see here. So the point is side effect guarantees that your code will run after Compose has applied all UI changes. Now finally we have this remember CoroutineScope. So sometimes it happens like we need to launch coroutine directly from user interactions. For example, when a button is clicked, so here you can see like we are using this scope.launch on button click. So I have used here remember CoroutineScope, and it is actually tied to the composable life cycle. So let's quickly recap. Never put side effects directly inside composable. Launch effect. One time suspend side effects. Disposable effect. Manage resources plus cleanup. Side effect. Non-suspending actions after composition. And remember CoroutineScope. So launch coroutines from UI events. I hope this video made the concept clear. If you like the explanation, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Android and Jetpack Compose tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.